Natcha's boyfriend came by. I'm making some pizza for us. I went and bought this expensive polenta, which is basically just corn ground up into a fine, well, not exactly a powder, it's more coarse than that. And then I'm frying up some minced beef with some spices to add on to the pizza. He did a bit of shopping, so the pizza could get spiced up a bit. And yeah, we're just gonna be hanging out today. Another friend is coming by. Just gonna be chill. That's right. I don't know if I told you guys, but I got the study money. Even though I already started and quit my study, I already got the study money. So yeah, I'm good money-wise now. I'll be able to pay rent next month as well. And I'm gonna have enough for food and stuff for the foreseeable future. So I'm pretty happy. It's nice. I mean, it is scamming the system a tiny bit, but it's all good. It's kind of what it's there for, right? Can't just be the billionaires that get to scam the system. I want in too. Good morning, guys. You haven't really heard much from me, but basically I ended up hanging out with another friend and Natcha's boyfriend, and then just the other friend. He stayed over, and I slept down here, as you can see, on the sleeping mats. I'm just kind of tired. I went up here now that I'm alone. I think I'm just gonna be chilling out today. I got a Kit Kat here and some soda. But yeah, I was just up late last night. I didn't really get a lot of sleep. Just talking, hanging out. It was nice. It's been a while since my friend, who was also a good friend of Mike's, since he's been over here. Ever since all that stuff happened. He doesn't like to stay over. He'll just come hang out, smoke a cigarette. But it was nice for him to stay over. Oh, and I got pizza in the oven I can heat up. Let's go. That pizza's fucking amazing, guys. I'm telling you. Like, really, one of the best pizzas I've made in a while. I just heat up some pizza. Watching some China show. I already paid next month's rent. Because I got paid that study money. So yeah. Next month's rent's taken care of. Let's go. Going back home after shopping for a few things. Actually, I already went home with the things that I shopped just now, but I forgot soy sauce, so I just went back for the soy sauce. And while I was there shopping for a second time, I noticed this brand of cream cheese that I have not had since me and my most recent ex lived outdoors here in Denmark for about a year. We used to eat this cream cheese all the time. It's this pepper flavored cream cheese. We would always put sweet potatoes into the embers of the fire, and then we'd get out some we call it snap bread. It's this Swedish thin, very like crunchy bread. It's completely bone dry, this bread, but you get these thin wafers, and we would spread the warm sweet potato out over the bread. Then we'd add the cream cheese on top. And it was just amazing. It made me want to buy some of that and hit her up. Say, hey, you want to go make some sweet potatoes on a fire and eat the cream cheese on the snap breads? But nah, that's a bad idea. I couldn't do that. You know, there's a reason I don't reach out to her. It's for her own sake. I don't think she'd be able to refuse me. And she should have the option to refuse me. But it's a great memory. It's a good food. I gotta make it one of these days when it gets warmer. I mean, I could camp outside, but it's too cold, man. Check it out, guys. Nori wheat, rice vinegar, soy sauce, sushi rice, sugar, and some snacks. Studenterbrød, or student breads. Oh yeah, and I also got some soda and one of these. Let me go a little crazy, guys. I just got paid again, so why not?